Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra review. The tables have turned. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has arrived. And it's clear that the tables have turned in the smartphone industry. Samsung has once again raised the bar, delivering a device that combines cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and unparalleled performance. Here's a deep dive into what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a game-changer. Design and display, a visual masterpiece. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a sleek, refined design with a titanium frame and a matte glass back, offering both durability and elegance. The device is slightly lighter and more ergonomic than its predecessor, making it easier to handle. The star of the show is the 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED-to-X display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. This time, Samsung has introduced micro-lens array MLA technology, boosting brightness to an eye-popping 3000 nits. Whether you're watching HDR content or scrolling through social media, the visuals are crisp, vibrant, and incredibly immersive. Performance: Beast Mode activated, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in select regions and Samsung's Onyx Exynos 2400. The S25 Ultra is an absolute powerhouse. The 12-core CPU and Adreno 750 GPU ensure seamless multitasking, gaming, and productivity. With up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this phone is built to handle anything you throw at it. The inclusion of AI-enhanced cooling technology ensures that the device stays cool, even during intense gaming sessions or 8K video editing. Camera: redefining mobile photography. Samsung has outdone itself with the camera system on the S25 Ultra. The quad camera setup includes 20MP wide-angle sensor with improved low-light performance, 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom and 100x space zoom, 48MP ultra-wide lens with macro capabilities, 12MP depth sensor for stunning portrait shots. The new AI-powered image processing engine delivers sharper details, more accurate colors, and better dynamic range. The Nightography 3.0 feature ensures that low-light photos are brighter and clearer than ever before. Additionally, the 8K video recording now supports 12Fs, making it a dream tool for content creators. Battery and charging: all-day power. The 5500 mAh battery ensures that the S25 Ultra can easily last a full day, even with heavy usage. With 65W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless charging, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice. Software: One UI 6.1 with AI enhancements. The S25 Ultra runs on One UI 6.1, based on Android 15, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. Samsung has integrated generative AI features such as AI Live Translate for real-time language translation during calls.